everyone! Have you ever felt like you're just stuck in life, or maybe you're blocked from achieving your goals? Well, today we're diving into something that might just change that. Alright, let's talk about Feng Shui. This is an ancient practice that's all about harmonizing energy in your space. The idea is that by creating a balanced environment, you can actually promote abundance and success in your life. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now let's take a step back and look at where Feng Shui comes from. Originating in ancient China, Feng Shui has been around for thousands of years. It's all about understanding the flow of energy, or qi, in our surroundings. In today's fast-paced world, these principles are super relevant. With so much going on, we often forget how our environment impacts our mood and success. Understanding how to balance energy in our spaces can lead to a more harmonious life. So what are the key secrets of Feng Shui? First up, decluttering. Seriously, you'd be amazed at how much energy stagnant stuff can hold. By getting rid of things you no longer need, you make space for new opportunities. Next, let's talk about natural light. Bringing in sunlight can uplift your mood and energize your space. And then there's furniture arrangement. Placing your furniture in a way that promotes a smooth flow of energy can make a huge difference. Think about your living room. Does it feel inviting, or is it cramped and chaotic? Now let's get into why these Feng Shui practices really matter. When you start decluttering and inviting in more light, you might notice improved mental clarity. A clean, well-lit space can help you think better and focus more. Emotionally, it can also lift your spirits and reduce stress. Plus, when your environment feels good, you're more likely to take action in your life, whether that's in your career, relationships, or personal growth. It's all connected. And hey, I've got some great quotes from Feng Shui experts who back this up. One expert said, "Feng Shui isn't just about arranging your furniture, it's about creating a life you love." And I've heard from countless individuals who've transformed their lives by simply rearranging their spaces or decluttering. It's incredible what a little change can do. To wrap things up, we've covered some key Feng Shui secrets that can really transform your life. Remember, by applying these principles, you're not just rearranging your space, you're inviting in harmony, abundance, and success into your life. I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried Feng Shui? What changes did you make, and how did they impact your life? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out my other videos on personal development and lifestyle tips. Contact me for the upcoming online Feng Shui workshops. Catch you next time.